Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy, talking glossary of financial terms and events. Our word of the day is superdelegate. Bernie Sanders beat Hillary Clinton by a massive 22-point margin in New Hampshire on Tuesday night, but because of the Democratic Party's system of superdelegates, more on that in a second, Clinton and Sanders could essentially get the same number of votes from the Granite State toward their nomination. How could that be? As you may remember from the 2008 contest between Clinton and Barack Obama, the Democratic primary is decided by a vote of delegates at the party's national convention. The majority of those delegates, as you'd expect, have to vote in accordance with the actual results of the contests in their respective states. But there's another category of delegates, the so-called superdelegates, mostly made up of Democratic Party insiders who get to support whomever they want with no obligation to voters' preferences. The creation of superdelegates was a reaction to the messy 1980 Democratic Convention in which Ted Kennedy and his supporters challenged sitting President Jimmy Carter. Many Democrats felt that the democratization of the primary process had led to chaos and resulted in many nominees that ended up losing. Therefore, they wanted to give their party elites more of a say. The Democratic nomination will be determined by 4,763 total delegates, 4,051 chosen by the voters, and 712 who fit the super category. These 712 superdelegates are made up of two major groups. One is prominent elected Democrats, including all of the party's governors, the president and vice president, and all of its members in Congress. The second group consists of all members of the Democratic National Committee. That includes elected representatives like mayors and county executives, as well as presidents of various Democratic organizations like the National Federation of Democratic Women and the College Democrats of America, according to DNC's bylaws.